number system. Write down. Write down. A number is as much greater than 36. A number is as much greater than 36 as is less than 86. A number is as much greater than 36 as is less than 86. Then find the number. Then find the number. So these are the general problems related to the numbers. So read the problem clearly. Read the problem clearly. A number is more than 36 1. It means that may be 37, that may be 38, that may be 39, and so on. And the same number is less than 86. It means that 85, 84, 83, 82. Understood all of you? But that number is more than 36 now. How much more than 36? We don't know. That number is less than 86 ma. How much less than 86? We don't know. But there is a condition here. As is. There is a condition ma. As is. As is nothing but. As is nothing but. The number is how much more than 36? With the same difference, that number is also less than 86 ma. Also less than 86. It means that for example, so let us assume that number is x ma. Okay, so x is more than 36. X is more than 36. It means that whatever the difference between x and 36, similarly the same number is less than 86 ma. How much is the difference means we don't know. How much is the difference means we don't know. But whatever the number is more than 36 with some difference, it is equal to the difference between 86 and x, because they clearly given as is means equal. As is means what? Equal ma. As is means equal. So how much more than 36 with the same difference, that number should be less than 86. Understood all of you? So whenever we know x minus 36 equal to 86 minus x, from that simplify ma. 2x is equal to 86 plus 36. So 2x is equal to 122. Then x is equal to what? 61. Very simple ma. Indirectly, that number is more than 36 with the same difference, that number should be less than 86 means that is the middle number between 36 and 86 ma. That is the middle number between 36 and 86. We know how to find the middle number between 36 and 86. Average 36 plus 86 by 2. That is the middle number. Understood all of you? Yes. Good, Avinash. Next one. Next one. If 6 is subtracted from 7 times a certain number, if 6 is subtracted from 7 times a certain number, the result is 5 times the number. The result is 5 times the number. Then find the number. The result is 5 times the number. Then find the number. These are the basic properties of the numbers. So let us assume the number is x ma. 7 times the number means 7x na. So 7x if 6 is subtracted from 7x, if 6 is subtracted from 7x, means 7x minus 6 or 6 minus 7x. Be careful. 6 is subtracted from 7 times the number, means 7x minus 6. Then what is the result? 5 times the number. So we know our assumption, the number is x. 5 times the number means 5x, na? Yes. If we simplify this, 7x minus 5x is equal 2x, ma, that is equal to 6. Then find the value of x. What is the answer? 3. Good, Tarun. What must Sahiti? Not getting? Which one, Sahiti? Okay, I will explain, ma. So for example, if you are not understanding on example, if I am unable to understand your question in questions box, ma, please go for the another question. Whenever I see your question, definitely I will explain. So second one, is it okay to all of you? Answer is 3. Yeah. They clearly given that a number is as much more than 36. How much is more? We don't know, but that number should be more than 36 now. That number should be more than 36. And the same number is less than 86 now. And the same number is less than 86. So remaining all of you understood me this one? Yes. So how much is more than 36? We don't know. And the same number is how much is less than 86? We don't know. But whatever the difference between 36 and x and 86 and x, ma, that difference should be same. That difference should be same. So they clearly given as is means equal. As is means equal, ma. So the difference between 36 and x and 86 and x should be same. Otherwise, for example, take smaller number. Take smaller number. 2 comma 5 comma 8, ma. Take smaller number 2 comma 5 comma 8. So may I say that 2 comma 5 comma 8, 2 5 8. So 5 is more than 2, 5 is more than 2, 5 is less than 8, ma. 5 is more than 2, 5 is less than 8. How much is more than 2? 3. How much is less than 8? 3. So may I say that a number is more than 2 as is, whatever the difference is, with the same difference, that number should be less than 8. So indirectly it is the middle number, ma. It is the middle number. So understood all of you? So we know how to find the middle number between two numbers, 36 plus 86 by 2. Sahiti, is it okay? Next one. Next one, ma. Write down the difference between please concentrate, the difference between a two-digit number, the difference between a two-digit number and the number obtained by the difference between a two-digit number and the number obtained by interchanging the positions of its digit is 36. Then what is the difference between the two digits of that number? Then what is the difference between that two digits of that number? So listen ma, what they given here, let us assume you have to take two-digit number is xy. So two-digit number is what? xy. So after interchanging this two digit of the number, it becomes yx. Okay. So xy is the original number. After interchanging the digits of the given number is yx. They clearly given the difference between a two-digit number xy and the number obtained by interchanging the positions of digits. Tens place becomes ones place becomes tens place. Is 36 ma. Is how much? 36. We don't know what is the x value. We don't know what is the y value. But xy minus yx is 36 given. What is the difference between those two digits of that number? The first digit is x, second digit is y. You have to find x minus, you have to find x minus y na. Am I clear all of you? So first of all, please understand what exactly they given, what we have to find. So don't go for unnecessary data. xy minus yx given, x minus y you have to find. So in place of xy, if they give 21, here it becomes 12 na. So whenever they given 20 minus 12, you have to go for 2 minus 1 na. xy minus yx given, x minus y required. 21 minus 12 given, 2 minus 1 required. 31 minus 13 required given, 3 minus 1 required. Say yes or no? Say yes or no? Yes. For example, you have to take different types of numbers ma. 21 minus 12 is equal to how much? 9. 21 minus 12 is equal to how much ma? 9. This is of the form xy minus yx. Similarly, 31 minus 13 is equal to 18. Similarly, 41 minus 14 is equal to 27. 51 minus 15 is equal to 36. All the numbers of the form xy minus yx only. 63 minus 36 is equal to 27. 96 minus 69 is equal to 27. 72 minus 27 is equal to 45. 62 minus 26 is equal to 36. So like that ma, all the numbers of the form xy minus yx only. All the numbers of the form xy minus yx only. So we know what exactly required. So if you observe clearly ma, here 21 minus 12 difference is 9. 31 minus 13 difference is 18. 27, 36, 27, 27, 45, So if you observe clearly, all these are multiples of 9. All these are the multiples of 9. Whenever all these are the multiples of 9, whenever all these are the multiples of 9, these are exactly divisible by 9, na? These are exactly divisible by 9, na? Yes. For example, 9 by 9 is how much, ma? 1. 9 by 9 is how much? 1. Whenever they given xy minus yx is 36, which one is the required? Whenever they given xy minus yx is 36, which one is the given? Which one is the required? Which one is the required, ma? X minus y. Good. X minus y. Similarly, 21 minus 12 is 9. Then required is 2 minus 1, na? That 2 minus 1 is nothing but 9 by 9. That 2 minus 1 is nothing but 9 by 9. Similarly, 18 by 9 is equal to 2. That is the difference between 3 minus 1. So 27 by 9, 3. That is the difference between 4 minus 1. 36 by 9, 4. That is the difference between 5 minus 1. So what you understood from this? Xy minus yx is always divisible by xy minus yx is always divisible by 9. Xy minus yx is always divisible by 9. So in exam point of view, whenever they given xy minus yx is equal to 36, directly please concentrate, ma. This must be divisible by 9, na? You can take any 2-digit number. Okay, so of the form xy minus yx is always you get a multiple of 9 compulsory. Then x minus y is equal to 36 by 9 is how much? 4. We don't want what is the x value, we don't want what is the y value. Anjali, is it audible, ma? Is it audible? Yeah, listen, ma. 1 minute, ma. Whenever they given 12 minus 21 or 21 minus 12 is 9, then what is the value of 2 minus 1? We know what is x, what is y. That is the reason you may get directly 2 minus 1 is 1. But I say that 2 minus 1 is nothing but 9 by 9. 2 minus 1 is nothing but 9 by 9. 3 minus 1 is nothing but 18 by 9. 4 minus 1 is nothing but 27 by 9. 5 minus 1 is nothing but 36 by 9. 73. 7 minus 3 is nothing but 36 by 9. Abhinash, get it, Manav? Okay. So it means that what you understood? Xy minus yx is always divisible by 9. Write down a note. Write down a note. Xy minus yx is always xy minus yx is always divisible by 9. Xy minus yx is always divisible by 9. Xy minus yx is always divisible by 9. So for example, in exam point of view, if they give this value like xy minus yx is equal to xy minus yx is equal to 63, then what is the value of x minus y? What is the value of x minus y? Yeah, Tarun Kumar, if you want to go for 10x plus y, that is another method. But why should you have to go for the place value and face value? it required some subject ma. Okay, 10x plus y. If you know, it is no issue. But within 5 seconds, you may get the answer. Xy minus yx is 36. Then x minus y is equal to what? Am I cleared, all of you? Yeah, answer is 7. 63 by 9 na? 9 7 are 63. Good. Next one, write down. Next one. Find the sum of all the odd numbers. Find the sum of all the odd numbers starting from 1. Find the sum of all the odd numbers starting from 1 and ending with the greatest number of three digits. So read the problem clearly. So we need to get the sum of all the odd numbers from 1 to the greatest number of three digits is nothing but 999. So what is the answer? How to get? Do it fast, ma. Write down a note. Point number 1. Write down a note. Point number 1. Sum of, from our childhood onwards, we use this formula regularly. Sum of all natural numbers. Sum of all the natural numbers from 1 to n is equal to 1 to n is equal to 1 to n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Everyone knows the formula, n into n plus 1 by 2. So why should you have to apply that formula? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. Natural numbers. Second one. Sum of all the odd numbers. Sum of all the odd numbers from 1 to n is sum of all the odd numbers from 1 to n is k square. So here it is not possible to represent square ma, but please note down k square, where k is number of even numbers, where k is number of even numbers. Please listen all of you, where k is number of even numbers. After completion of the concept, please ask me if you have any doubt related to this concept. Okay, first of all listen ma, where k is the number of odd numbers, sorry ma, number of odd numbers. For example, I want to get the sum of the odd numbers from 1 to 10. Smaller numbers only you have to take ma, 1 to 10. What are the different odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are the 5 odd numbers are there. Whenever the given numbers are less number, by using manual method also, you may get the value. So 1 plus 3 is how much? 1 plus 3 is how much? 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 5, sorry, 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 9, 25. It means that the sum of these 5 odd numbers is 25. Sum of these 5 odd numbers is 25. Whenever sum of these 5 odd numbers is 25, we know there are 5 odd numbers from 1 to 10. There are 5 odd numbers from 1 to 10. So directly, whenever we know the odd number of odd numbers are 5, the answer should be 5 squared. The answer should be 5 squared. For example, 1 to 20, there are 10 odd numbers. 1 to 20, there are 10 odd numbers and exactly half a. So whenever we know the odd numbers are 10, directly the sum 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 and so on up to 19, the sum should be 10 square. The sum should be 10 square. So all of you got it, ma? Good, so 100. So it is not possible to represent square directly, ma. Please understand. Third point, write down. Third point, sum of, hope all of you understood. So please implement the shortcut methods. Sum of all the even numbers, sum of all the even numbers from 1 to n is 1 to n is k into k plus 1, k into k plus 1, where k is where k is where k is number of where k is number of even numbers, where k is number of even numbers, where k is number of even numbers. For example, 1 to 10, please understand the concept. 1 to 10, ma. So the even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. By using the manual method, because the number of numbers are very less, na. 2 plus 4, how much? 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 plus 10. 20 plus 10 is how much? 30. So 30 is the sum of how many even numbers? 5 even numbers. Whenever we know the number of even numbers are 5, the sum of these even numbers is 5 into 5 plus 1, nothing but k into k plus 1. So 5 into 6 is how much, ma? 30 is the answer. So exactly half number. So 1 to 50, number of even numbers are how many? Number of even numbers are 15, sorry, number of even numbers are 25. Whenever the number of even numbers are 25, directly you have to go for 25 into 25 plus 1 is the sum of the even numbers from 1 to 20, 1 to 50. But the given example, sum of the odd numbers from 1 to 999, na? So 1 to 999, how many odd numbers are there? Exactly 500, ma. Okay, up to 1500, including 999, 1 to 10, 5 odd numbers, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, including 9 is 5. Similarly, 1 to 1000, 500 odd numbers, 1 to 999 is also 500 odd numbers. Whenever we know there are 500 odd numbers, the sum of these odd numbers should be 500 square. So 5 square means 25, 20 square means 4 zeros. Do it fast, ma. Even numbers 1 to 50, 1 to 10, 5 odd numbers, ma. Okay, 1 to 20, 10 odd numbers, 1 to 50, 25 odd numbers, 1 to 10, 5 even numbers, 1 to 20, 10 even numbers, 1 to 50, 25, 1 to 1500, 1 to 500, 250. Saiti, did you understand? Otherwise better to concentrate ma. So sir, how can you find that one? No problem. 1 to 10 or 1 to 9, last even number by 2, to find the number of even numbers, last even number by 2 directly. Cleared all of you? Tarun, get it ma? Anita, next one. Next one. For example 729 is the number, sorry, 724 is the number. So what is the last digit of the given expression? What is the last digit in the given number? What is the last digit in the given number? 724. What is the last digit? Units digit ma. 4. Okay. If they give 729, seven So this is the 720 power 4, 720 power ma. Okay, 724 power 724. So whenever they given only 724, there is no problem. Whenever they given 724 whole power 724, is it possible to find the units digit of the given expression? 724 whole power 724. It is the largest expression. 724 into 724 into like that 724 times are there. It is very difficult na. So our concept is whenever they given this type of numbers, how can we approach to find the last digit of the given expression? Understood all of you? Clear? So before that, please understand one small example ma. If you understand the basics, there is no issue with the examples. Yeah, listen ma. 723. 723. If they give 723, the last digit is 723 only. No, put on 3. 723 into 723 ma. 723 into 723. Nothing but 723 whole square. The last digit is depends on, the last digit is depends on 3 into 3 9 hai na? Say sir no. The last digit is depends on 3 into 3 9. Similarly, if they give 723 into 723 into 723, then the last digit is depending on 3 into 3 into 3. It means 723 whole power 3 depends on 3 power 3. 723 whole power 4 depends on 3 power 4. 724 whole power 724 whole power 724 depends on depends on 4 power 724 है ना, depends on 4 power 724 है ना, yes, so 4 power 724. So instead of finding 724 whole power 724, just you have to find 4 power 724, 4 power 724. Yeah, listen ma, write down, write down. Point number one, most important concept for AMCAT exam. Point number one, so here in place of 4, in place of 4, that may be 3, that may be 2, that may be 9. Get it all of you. So write down, if the last digit of the given base, if the last digit of the given base is, if the last digit of the given base is 0 comma, if the last digit of the given base is 0 comma 1 comma 5 comma 6, if the last digit of the given base is 0 comma 1 comma 5 comma 6 and the power is anything, then the last digit, or units digit of the given expression is itself, okay. So this point is applicable, only the last digit of the given expression is 0156 ma, that is not applicable for the other numbers. Understood all of you? So please understand, what is the value of 0 power 1? What is the value of 0 power 1? Please understand the screen. 0 power 1 is 0, 0 power 2 0, 0 power 3 0, 0 power 4 is also 0. It means that the power of 0 is anything. The units digit should be 0. Understood all of you? You have to take 120 power 1 or 120 power 2, 120 power 3, 120 power 4 or 320 power 1, 320 power 2, 320 power 320, 920 power 920, 920 power 999, 920 power 999. If any base ending with 0 and the power is anything, the last digit should be 0. Second one, 1 anukunnam. So 1 power 1, 1, 1 power 2, again 1, 1 power 3 is also 1, 1 power 4 is also 1. It means that the power of 1 is anything, the last digit of the given expression should be 1. You can take 11 power 11, 21 power 11, 31 power 11, 121 power 121. The base should be ending with 1. 461 power 500, 461 power 500. Aim understood all of you? Next one, 5. 5 power 1 is 5. 5 square 25 means we need only 5. 5 square 25 ma. So 25 means directly only 5 and a last digit. 5 power 3, 125. 5 power 3 is 125. So, sir, we don't know what is the value of 5 power 3 directly. Then you have to go for 5 power 3 means 5 square into 5 na. Focus on the last digit ma. 5 square into 5. We know already 5 square is ending with 5. 5 square is ending with 5. So whenever 5 square is ending with 5, 5 cube is nothing but 5 square into 5. So 5 square is 5. So 5 into 5, again 5 only. So 25 is not the value of 5 power 3, but 5 power 3 should be ending with 5. 5 power 4 ma. Sir, we don't know what is the value of 5 power 4 directly. Then 5 power 4 can be written as 5 power 3 into 5. 5 power 3 is ending with what? 5. So 5 into 5, 5. Am understood all of you? If anyone not understanding, what is the value of 5 power 4 directly? Yes. I hope there is no speed for the class. Yes. Next one. Next one. So 5 power 1, 5a. 5 power 2, 5a. If you observe clearly, the power of 5 is also anything. The answer should be itself 5. Similarly, 6 power 1, 6 ma. 6 power 2, 36. So 36 means we consider only 6. 6 power 3, 216. Sir, we don't know what is the value of 6 power 3 directly. Then what will we do? 6 power 3 can be written as 6 square into 6 ma. So 6 square into 6 is nothing but again 36. So 36 is not the value of 6 power 3, but 6 power 3 is ending with 6 ma. 6 power 4, 6 power 3 into 6. 6 power 3 is also ending with 6. 6 into 6, 36, like that. I will show it, Anjali, don't worry. Okay, first point, no problem. So if you observe clearly, the power of 0, 1, 5, 6 is anything, the answer should be, the last digit should be itself. So all of you note down. Please note it. So observe some examples, ma. Note down. 216 power 424. 216 power 424. From this, you may get some clarity. Point to point. Please understand the concept. 216 power 424 depends on 6 power 2 424 है ना. If the last digit of the base is 6 and the power is anything, the answer should be 6 है ना. This is applicable for only 0, 1, 5, 6 ma. Similarly, 625 power 625. The value depends on 5 power 65. Means directly 5 है ना. So 0 power is anything 0, 6 power is anything 6. So this is applicable for 0, 1, 5, 6. Ema Tarun, understood? Ema, get it all of you, Anjali? Suvarna, get it ma? So shall we go for next one? If the class is speed, please say immediately. Yeah. Next one. Write down the second point. Write down the second point. If the last digit of the base, if the last digit of the base is either 4 or 9, either 4 or 9, then the last digit of the base, sorry, then the last digit of, then the last digit of the base is 9, then the last digit of the given expression depends on the power, depends on the power, depends on the power, depends on the power. So it means that if the 4 power is 1, one answer. 4 power 2 is 4 power is 2, one answer. 9 power 1, one answer. 9 power 2, one more answer. 9 power 3, one more answer. 9 power 4, one more answer. It means that the value depends on the power. The value depends on the power. In what way we can implement this one? Please concentrate, ma. Please note down. 4 power 1, how much? 6. Sorry, 4 power 1, 4. 4 power 2, 16. Nothing but 6 only. 4 power 1, 4. 4 power 2, 6. 4 power 3, 4. 4 power 4, again 6 ma. So 16, nothing but 6 only. I already told 4 power 3, 64. If you don't know the value of 4 power 3, it can be written as 4 square into 4. 4 square means 6 into 4, 24. 24 is not the value of 4 power 3, but 4 power 3 should be ending with 4. 4 power 4, 4 power 3 into 4 ma. 4 power 3 into 4, nothing but 4 into 4, 6. So 4 power 1, 4, 4 power 3, 4, 4, 5, 4 power 5, 4. If you observe clearly, the power of 4 is 1, 3, 5. Am understood all of you? 4 power 1, 4 power 3, 4 power 5 is 4, 4 power 2, 4 power 4, 4 power 6. The last digit should be 6. It means that if the power of 4 is 135, means odd power is 4, 2, 4, 6 means even power. So it is very easy to identify whether the given power is an even power or odd power. That is the consideration for the last digit 4. Similarly, the same condition for 9 also. 9 power 1, 9. 9 power 2, 81 means 1. 9 power 3, 729 means 9. 9 power 4 is 1. If you don't know what is the value of 9 power 4, what will you do? 9 power 3 into 9. 9 power 3 is ending with 9. 9 into 9 is 81. So 81 is not the value of 9 power 4, but 9 power 4 is ending with 1. You understood all of you? So same logic. 9 power 1, 9 power 3, 9. 9 power 2, 9 power 4 is 1. If the power of 4 is odd, 4. If the power of 4 is even, 6 ma. 9 power is odd, 9. 9 power is even, 1. That is the only thing you have to consider. Example ma, 64 power 24. It is depends on 4 power. So it is depends on 4 power 24. So 4 power 24. Whenever the last digit of the base is 4, you have to focus on power. Whether the given power is the even power or odd power. 4 power is the even power. 4 power is the 24, nothing but even power. So what is the answer for 4 power is even? 6. Good. 729 power 729 power 927. Concentrate on 9 power 927 only. So whenever the given 9 power 927, whether the given power 9 power is even power or odd power? Odd power. 927 is the even power or odd power? Odd power. What is the value of 9 power odd? 9 power odd ma? 9. Good. Hope all of you understood. Yes. So any doubt up to that? Any doubt ma up to that? So please clarify your doubts ma. So please maintain regularity everyone. Anjali, you didn't get ma? Okay ma, good. Any other? So whenever you required some, if you want to write some exams ma, better to go for this website. This is my website only. So www.durganaresheluguri.com. Sahiti, triple line is even number or odd number? So triple line is divisible by 2 or not? Yeah, triple line is divisible by. Okay, don't confuse. Aptitude is not the rocket science. All these problems covered in our below 10th standard only. Yes, Mataram. 6934. Good. Any other? Yes, Mataram. 6934. Good. Any other? Anita, get it, ma? Avinash. Yes, ma. If a number is divisible by 2, that number should be even. Otherwise, it is the odd number. Raja Reddy, understood, ma Raja Reddy? So please be active in the classes, everyone. So if you are not getting 144 power, yeah, 144 power, 144 power 441 means 4 power 441 depends na. 4 power is the even or odd. 4 power is the odd. So 4 power odd means 4 na. 4 power odd ma vachedi 4. I think it is also for MTech ma. Just you have to check the link. Don't worry. There are many opportunities both for BTech and MTech. Any other? Thank you, ma. So tomorrow I will see you all, but try to maintain the regularity. Inform to your friends. Wake up early, okay, to get a bright career. So because Raja Reddy is in, I think, second year, 2023 passed out means second year. He is in second year. So definitely he is having a long-term goal. So like that, try to concentrate. Don't looking to get a short-term goal, ma. Okay. So all the best, ma. Good luck.